everybody, it's Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a quick tutorial. Sorry it's been so long. I am redoing my craft room, so really I just threw this setup up really quick so I can record a video, but my craft room is nowhere near done. So anywho, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Pom Pom Christmas tree, if you can see it. It's super simple to make. All you need is some pom-poms, like so, and I used one of my mini doilies die cuts to make these. Here's some examples. So if you want to put like a little tree skirt underneath, that's what I did with this. And then you just need hot glue, super simple. So you're gonna start off, you are gonna use 5 pom-poms for the bottom. So just pick some colors. All right, so these are the 5 for the bottom that I'm gonna use. Then I'm just gonna glue one side, one pom-pom, one side to the other, like so. Then I'm gonna kind of go on this side right here, like this. Then I'm gonna turn it, glue it on the inner side of this one. And I got these pom-poms at, I want to say, Target in the dollar section. And then you just have to hot glue, put some hot glue in the middle right here. Then hold that together for a second. Okay, there's your base. And if you want, you can hot glue in the center right there. I don't think you need to, but yeah, anywho. So then you're going to need 3 more. I'm gonna use these 2 and this red one. So just dab some glue, push it down, dab some glue, push it down, then dab some glue and push it down. Okay. Then we're gonna grab 2. I'm gonna grab this green one and white one. No, actually, I might put another green one down here on the base. Sorry, you really need like 4 or 5 for the second layer. Yeah, I wasn't thinking. Cause I used 5 for the second layer on this one, but I'm gonna use 4 on this one. It should be okay. And then you're gonna use 3. So I'll use this. Grab some glue here. Then I'm going to do a green one. And then a white one. No, just do 2 for that layer and then 1 on top. I'll do this white one on top right here. Sorry, I'm getting hot glue everywhere, but okay. So you see it's gonna look kind of lumpy and funny. So now what we do is we're gonna go in and we're gonna fill it. So what I did is I just took a pom-pom and I just cut it in half. Ching. So I still have a half left from this one that I made. And then I'm just gonna, be careful, don't burn yourself, guys. I'm just gonna fill it in where I think it needs to be filled in. So like right here, just gonna dab some glue, if you can see. And I'm gonna take my piece right here and I'm gonna fill it in so it looks plump. Then over here it needs some. I'm gonna take right here, dab some glue. You see my floating baby pom pom. I'm gonna take this green and shape it. Then I'm gonna take, oh, I wish I had blue left. Unfortunately, oh, here we go, here's a white one. This one's already cut, you see how it's coming apart? And I'm gonna make like a little triangle look right there. Take this and fill that in right there. Then I kind of shape my tree, and then whatever tiny pom-pom I want to put at the top. I think this one needs more pink, so I'm going to put a little pink pom-pom at the top. It's this bottom. And so then you just put some glue at the bottom of for your base. You can use a doily, not a paper doily, like a regular doily if you want. Cut it down, then I just kind of stick it there. Then I just make sure that everything is sticking together. And there you have it. There's a little mini Christmas tree. Isn't it so cute? Super simple, you guys. And this is a shadow box that I got from Michael's. And I don't know if you can see, but this is the tree that we just did. And there's my original tree right there. And you can put them inside like a shadow box, or you can make little ornaments and put hooks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be